Hello, I'm redoing this lesson because I forgot to record. It says add a click event listener to the class task form button variable. Then use model method on your confirm close dialog variable. This will display a model with the discard and cancel button. Okay, so we use we call out the close task form button. If it is clicked, it should listen to something by the method called add event listener. And here, if it is clicked, then just we call out we use the show model method on our confirm close dialog, and then show model. So use click on to the close task form button variable. If it's listened, it should be clicked, and if it's clicked, it should use this arrow thing, so that if it's clicked, it should implicitly return confirm close dialog that show model. Without what I mean by implicitly, it should automatically return this one without using this, without this one, right? If you getting me? Yes.